King khona lapha ekhaya babukeli uPeter Simkhebela khona la namhlanje ngihamba ngedwa ngihamba uThukuku lethu Bianca Zwane, a very familiar face khona la in our platform, in our channel. How are you feeling? Hi first.
Hi.
Yes.
I am feeling gorgeous.
Yes, she's feeling gorgeous because she looks gorgeous. Let's first talk about the title, the Oigogile, Miss Fees of Edenvale. What is it all about, and how did you come to be part of this organization?
So basically, Face of Edenvale is a pageant that looks into assisting the people of Edenvale, more especially people that do not have homes or don't have enough resources. So it just needs someone that will be able to assist in the community,
From one pageant that assists the underprivileged to Imis Community Changer, 5th edition in the. How do you feel about Imis Community Changer, and what are your expectations of today's event?
I honestly feel like Miss Community Changer is a life-changing pageant or opportunity. I've seen Betty work from the ground with this organization, and considering the fact that it is an NGO, I really hope to see contestants step up. And when I say step up, it should be an individual that is willing to give back to their community, someone who's selfless, someone who just wants to represent the people. So yeah, today I'm just hoping to see beautiful ladies and guys, but most importantly I want to hear what they have to say, because this is the last step for them to just prove that they are deserving, because they have been doing community work, and we saw that. And yeah, man.
So in terms of social media, where can we find you?
On Instagram, I am Bianca _Letu, right? Also TikTok, Bianca _Letu. You can also Google me.
Well, speaking of TikTok, it's the challenge, Ilana. The challenge is we want you to just close the show and tell people to subscribe.
Okay, so this is the Obi show, right? It's always happening here. Everything is always flowing. If you're not following or subscribing, what are you doing? So we are hoping for you to like this video. Make sure that it hits 5,000 likes, and then we're gonna drop something for you.
5,000 likes, and we're gonna drop something for you. Thank you so much.